Good morning, students. Today we are going to start lesson number 4, angles and pairs of angles. So for that we recall some types of angles. Here different types of angles we have studied in standard 6th. That is right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, reflex and straight angle. So I have drawn here one angle XYZ. Angle XYZ, we are denoting this one with the help of three letters. Angle XYZ. But sometimes we can denote this angle with the help of only one letter. But which is that letter? See the angle XYZ. Where the angle is there, that point will be there for the angle. So we'll write this angle is angle Y. This is vertex Y. There are two arms. Angle is having two arms. Which are two arms? Arm YX and arm YZ. These two arms meet at one vertex, that is Y. This is the structure of the angle. Okay. So again I'll repeat. Types of angles, we know that. Measurements also have given. Right angle, acute angle. Right angle means 90 degree. Acute angle means below than 90. Obtuse angle more than 90. Reflex and straight angle. Right. Next part is interior and exterior of the angle. Here one angle I have drawn. Here one angle is there. Angle ABC. We can say this angle CBA also. We can denote by this way also. So there are some points in the interior and the exterior. So which are the points in the interior? You can understand. Point X, point Y and point O are in the interior of the angle. This is the interior of the angle. And point Z, point Q and point P are in the exterior of the angle. Sometimes some points are on the angles, those also we can find out. So this is interior and exterior of the angle. Points in the interior, point O, point X, you have to write down these points, which are the points in interior and which points are in exterior. Please write down in your notebook which draw any two angles and find show three points in interior and exterior and denote that properly. And you have to write down all the types of angles also. Today, next one we are going to see the adjacent angles. What is the definition of adjacent angles? Two angles which have a common vertex, a common arm and a separate interior are said to be adjacent angles. See, these two angles has been given here. Angle ABC and angle CBD. These two angles are adjacent angles. What is the requirement? It is having common vertex, that is B, and common arm, that is BC. But their interior is different or a separate one. Next figure is given PQR angle. Within that, PQS and SQ are two adjacent angles. Please write down these adjacent angles. Next one is a complementary angles. What is the complementary angles? If the sum of the measures of two angles, any two angles is 90 degree, they are known as complementary angles. With complementary angles, another type of is also there, that is supplementary angles. If the sum of the measures of the two angles is 180 degree, they are known as supplementary angles. Means complementary angles are having addition or sum is 90 and supplementary angles are having addition of 180 degrees. Okay, just write it down these definitions also and find out some complementary angles and supplementary angles and write those pairs of complementary and supplementary angles in your notebook. Thank you.